Consumer rights attorneys. Consumer rights attorney. All right, so one of my favorite classes in law school, one of a lot of people's favorite classes in law school, was consumer law. Didn't know what consumer law was before I got to law school. Once I got to law school, I got a better understanding of what the class was about, but I really still didn't get a full understanding until I took the course. In Texas, it's a section of the bar exam. It's a question or two you're going to get on the bar exam. So you take the class in law school. Every state's not like that. I was trying to prepare for the bar, so I definitely want to take the class. It was such a great class. It was such an interesting class because basically we know about somebody suing somebody because they didn't fulfill a contract, or people getting a divorce, or criminal cases, or somebody gets in a car accident. But like, what do you do when your home warranty doesn't work, right? Like when the company you got your home warranty through is trying to mess over you. What do you do when the insurance company is making you jump through hoops in certain areas? What do you do if you went to the mechanic and now the mechanic is screwing over you, or the place you bought the car from, the car dealership, they're screwing over you, right? You get a consumer lawyer, or somebody who is versed in consumer law. You hire that person, right? Because they have this thing called the Deceptive Trade and Practices Act, DTPA. Game changer. It basically is a law set up to penalize people for messing over consumers. And in some situations, there's triple damages, right? Triple the damages. A very interesting area of law. And it's really to the point. Boom, 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 boom. You know what it is. If the person who messed you over, if they do certain things, it's really just about proving up the case and fighting it. Because it's just an area, it's in my opinion, it's an area of law that's in place to help the small person. Help the small person who don't know nothing about law, don't know anything about law. They're just trying to get by and not get screwed over by the mechanic and places like that. And it's a law it's a law that's in place to slap the person who's trying to mess over you, right? Saying, hey, you try to take advantage based off your position, based off their ignorance of not being a mechanic and not knowing that you're screwing over them, based off your ignorance of them not having a full understanding of some of the nuances of the warranty, and you guys are trying to take advantage of that. It beats up on the big guys in that way. And I just really enjoyed the class. It was a very interesting class. So if you ever are in a situation where you bought a good or you got a service done and you feel like you got messed over, you got sold a lemon, a bad car, or the mechanic messed you over, or the home warranty people are acting stupid, get with a consumer rights attorney. Consumer rights attorney. Attorneys are in place to protect consumers, people who buy things. That's what you want to look for. There's a consumer rights attorney in your area. Just Google, if you're in Wisconsin, consumer rights attorney in Wisconsin, saying, Orlando, Los Angeles, Seattle. Just Google attorney who does that in your area and somebody will pop up.